Hey guys, so I want to quickly show you guys this tool called Rakuten, right? So as travel agents, we book lots of tours, lots of attraction passes. We book a lot of things for our clients, and usually, we book it on our own computers. And so, I have Rakuten. I saw it a while ago, and I finally added it. But I just want to show you guys how you can get additional. It's not a lot of money, but it's some change. It's like kind of sort of like double dipping. So let me show you. So I'm just gonna type in travel. So just Rakuten.com, and then I'm just typing in travel. So I already know a few of them off the top of my head, but I really want to show you guys the ones that we probably will be using. So Expedia, I think Expedia Tap counts for that. Um, let's see. Let's see. These are not all of them. It's 100. Okay, here, see all. Right? And so Viator is on here. I know we use Viator for tours. We got Marriott on there. Let's see. It's a bunch of different websites. So let me show you how it works. Okay, so let's say, let's type in, let's do Viator. So Viator Travel Partners. Okay. All right, I'm gonna go, we're here. So I'm going to go to, let's see. All right, so we're here now. So look, this is the Viator for Travel Agent site. So I'm going to go to start booking, but check this out, 6.5% cash back. So all you have to do is press activate cash back. And so one time I logged in and I saw like 15%. It really varies, with the months and stuff that they have. But all you have to do is come over here and hit start booking. Okay. And then you just type in whatever tour that you want. So the last time I was over, I was looking for Paris city passes for my clients. And so, you get commission on it, plus you get, whatever the cashback is. And so you literally add it to your cart, go ahead and pay like normal. And then I don't have a lot over here, but I do want to show you this. So I purchased a Go City card. So I was looking for the Go City Paris card, like the all-inclusive card on Viator, but they didn't have it. So I wound up going to the website directly and having to book there for my client. So we got Go City there. I think I may have, one of my other computers that I like to work on. It doesn't have it on there, and it doesn't even cross my mind sometimes, but I want to make sure you guys are not missing out. Let's see. Let me try to find the other transaction. But yeah, Go City, MailChimp. It's just like, simple stuff. Walmart. Let's see if I can find any. Let's see. Look at this. 525.22. Nord. I got NordVPN. They gave me $31.58 in cash back. Let's see, they gave me a welcome bonus. And so it's just, it's probably a lot more in my shopping trips, but it's just different things that you get cash back for. And so let's take a peek. So over here, back to Viator, let's say, let's go to Marriott Travel Agents. Let's see. Marriott. Here it is. Marriott Travel Agent. And see if anything pops up. And I downloaded the extension on mine. So let's see. So there's no deals on here right now. So Marriott, what was some other ones? Let's see. Oh, let's try Expedia tab. Expedia. Right here. All right. So look, 3% right there. 3% cash back when you're using Expedia Tap for travel agents. And so if you guys, use this site a lot, you're getting your commission, plus you're getting 3% cash back. And so, Rakuten, they usually send the cash back in the form of like a PayPal or something like that. But nonetheless, something is something. So let's say, let's look at the other ones that they got over here. So that was Expedia. Let's see. I got Radisson. Let's see more. All right, extended stay, away. Let's see, Best Western. And so like literally whatever site you log into, it'll let you know whether there's some cash back there or not. Let's see. Keep on going. Let's see. Oh, StubHub. Oh, no, we don't use that. Let's see. Oh, the Venetian. You know what? Let me who is that? That's Caesars. If I'm not see, I believe that's Caesars Entertainment. Let me see. Let me Google that. Let me see. Venetian Las Vegas travel agent. Travel agent. All right, so I just typed in Venetian Las Vegas travel agent. So let's see. Venetian agent. Okay. Is this their real website though? That's okay, Travel Agent University. You got to go to the real site for them, not, a third party site. Okay, so look at this. Oh, it tells you right there, 1% cash back. Okay, not commissionable. Let's see. I don't think this is how we book as agents. I've never booked directly as far as Venetian. But let's keep looking. Oh, Park and Fly. Park and Fly is for travel agents as well. Um, let's see, get your commission on that. Let's see who else. Oh, Go City. Yes, I got cash back on that one too. If you guys have to, if you guys can't find the Go City card that your clients want, you just literally. I was looking for the Go City Paris one. So Go City Paris. So I got 3% cash back for that one. Right, and it's gonna pop up right here. So you guys can choose to, add the extension. I have like Google add the extension if you want to, but that's all up to you. So let me try to find some more. Let's see. Those. Let's see. Oh, Polynesian Cultural Center for Hawaii. We got Radisson Blue. Oh, a la carte. Here, let me type in a la carte. Travel agent. Core. Right, let's see. The travel agent website. Yep. When you book on Alcor, this is like more of a European brand, 2% cash back. Okay. So they handle like Novotel and Pullman. Let's see. Let me show you. Let's see. Benefits. You guys just Google Alcor. Accor brand. But they do, like I said, Pullman, Novotel, all of that good stuff. All right, so let's keep going. The Paris Pass. If you purchase the Paris Pass directly, oh, Princess Cruise. Let me go. Let me see. Let me see. I'm typing Princess Cruise travel agent. Princess Cruise travel agent. All right, let's see. There we go. When you're booking Princess Cruise, you get your commission. Plus, you get what's that, 1 to 2%, 1.5% cash back. I mean, you're gonna be doing this anyway. So, oh, this is the travel agent locator. Let me see. Let me see. I don't know their direct website. I should know this, but let's see. I should have put travel agent portal. Oh, maybe it's one source. Okay, I guess. Okay, so nothing on the agent side for one source. Let's see. But it's just so many of them. Just, as you're doing your daily travel agent thing, just, be on the lookout for, cashback here, cashback there. And, I'm just doing what I normally would do. And it's, the little change here. Hey, that's coffee. So that's all I really have to show you guys. Let's see. Yeah, that's all I have to show you guys. The site is called Rakuten right here. And if I have like a link or anything, I will put it down there in the description area. So if you guys have any questions, just let me know. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.